2015 Chevrolet Traverse second lieutenant forward wide service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 mile synthetic oil change, new rear brake pads and resurfaced rotors. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG Advanced Formula W/MOA stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. BG Fuel System Cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Winter service special, fuel injector treatment, fuel system dryer and coolant system additive replaced, air filter replaced, in cabin microfilter helps with allergies. New wiper blades, new tires. Power steering service, drained and refilled power steering fluid. Brake fluid service replaced all old fluid. 4-wheel alignment optional equipment. Traverse 2LT 8-way power. Driver seat with power. Lumbar auto dimming inside rear view mirror with Bluetooth. Body color, body side moldings. Bose premium 10-speaker audio system feature. Enhanced driver information center. Front fog lamps. Front row side impact airbags. Heated driver and front passenger seats. Heated power adjustable body color. Outside mirrors. Interior wood grain center stack and interior trim. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Preferred equipment group tool tray. Audio system controls. Rear park assist. Rear power lift gate. Remote vehicle start. Tri-zone automatic climate control. Universal home remote. KBB fair market range high 0,4661724 city/highway mpg.